Hey, what up guys? Today I'll be teaching you 2 butterfly tricks that I know. I will not be teaching any other ones because I won't be looking into other tutorials, so let's get started. Before we get started, I'm going to use my Lego homemade butterfly because in my country it's illegal to have butterfly knives. So I made my own one with Lego. It's like a taser. Psst. Okay, let's get started. So this is the first one. One more. Okay, let's get to it. So for this one, you're gonna start it by holding like this, like chopsticks. Your safety side will be on your index side, your safety side. So this is what you do. So first thing first, I start off like this. This is how I do it. You swing. So one more time, you swing. When you swing, make sure it comes up all the way up here, not like here, up here. Then let go and keep swinging around. Now this is how I catch it. If you find comfortable catching like that, it's fine with you, but this is how I catch it. When it comes between my thumb and my index, I squeeze and then I flick forward and then you flick up. So one more time. Swing, make sure it comes up here, let go, catch, flick forward, flick up. Okay, so that one's called Meet the Spy, which I got from Team Fortress 2. Oh, my bad. So the next one, I don't know which one it is. You're gonna have open. Your safety side will be on the index side, which is this side. So it looks like this. Yeah. One more time. Okay. So this is your safety side. So this is what you do first. You flip back. So your safety side will land on your knuckles. You flick forward. And then when you flick forward, you go around and you put your finger, your index finger here, and you flick this way. So this is the safety side. This is the safety side. So once more, flick back, safety side, flick forward, flick around. Safety side is this part. Then you flick back while you're doing it. This is how I do it. So you flick back, then you catch it like that, and then you swing up, and then you're ready to backstab. So one more time. Flick back, flick forward, and then back. I mean around. Let me so this is how it looks. And this is how the other one looks. Let's hope I don't fail it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and see you later.